Introducing the VersaCarve Micro Workshop, where creativity meets precision in the palm of your hand. Ever felt overwhelmed by too many tools, not enough space, or never having the right tool when you need it? Say goodbye to clutter and compromise with the VersaCarve all-in-one Micro Workshop. With VersaCarve, you get the power of a soldering iron or a rotary tool in a compact, modular, clutter-free setup. Struggling to drill tiny parts while keeping your hand steady? With VersaCarve, the stability and precision of benchtop tools are available anywhere you are. VersaCarve is a compact, multifunctional micro workstation that integrates a soldering iron or rotary tool with the VersaFrame into a powerful tabletop crafting solution, neatly organized into 2 boxes. VersaCarve is ready and easily assembled whenever you need it. Need to cut or sand a workpiece on a surface? VersaCarve seamlessly transforms into a mini table saw or sander with its horizontal mount, giving you benchtop stability within seconds. Need handheld tools for carving intricate patterns, sanding delicate edges, engraving elegant designs, or soldering fragile wires? VersaCarve's got you covered with wireless, battery-powered tools capable of working with wood, metal, glass, fabric, acrylic, and foam. Perfect for any DIY project you throw at it. It even comes with a screw clamp so your tool can be held steady with both hands. Whether you're an engineer, 3D printing enthusiast, or hands-on hobbyist, VersaCarve elevates your craft. It's always powered, always clean, always ready. Join the growing community of makers who've transformed their workflow with VersaCarve. Perfect for woodworking, model making, electronics, crafting, and school projects. We're launching VersaCarve on Kickstarter to bring this awesome creative tool to the world, and we want you to be part of it. Be among the first to experience the future of hands-on creation. Back VersaCarve today and carve your path to creativity.